Please respond me. Do you see the notepad on the screen? Priya, good morning. Divya. Okay. Is my audio okay? Both audio and the screen. Good morning, Survi. Hi, Karthik. Good morning. Hi, Ritvik. Very good morning. Good morning, Ritvik. See, do you see the command prompt on the screen? Please respond me. Command prompt. Okay. Okay, Ritvik. Thank you. Good morning, Priyanka. Hi, Rakshita. Good morning. Varshini, very good morning. Vamshi, good morning. I hope everyone have written internals properly. Uh, just I will type something related to your internals. We shall wait for everyone to come because or else it will be again it becomes slow. Hi Surabhi, good morning. Good morning, Sri Lakshmi. Say, I want to tell you a few things related to your internals. See here, what is the meaning of this? Many of you have written questions. No need to write questions. Okay. How many of you have written questions? Please respond me. Don't write any questions. Okay, that is the first thing. The next thing is many of you did not scan properly. You must scan the answer sheets properly. Question numbers must be visible. Good morning, Shirisha. If you are scanning the if you are scanning the answer sheets, means questions must be visible. Once again, very good morning to all. Try to read for. I hope everyone are executing the things, executing the projects. How many of you have tried the projects which are given at the end of the textbook? Please respond me. Okay, good. Okay, you can see here. In the last class, I was telling you about string handling functions, string manipulation functions like right justification, left justification, and center. Okay, now if you want to do any right justification, if you want to do any right justification, we must give the string like this. After that, dot and r justification. We must call the function rjust. Okay, right justification. Similarly, we must specify the number of spaces. 10 is the number of spaces here. Okay, so you see the output here. You see the output here. This is the output where 10 columns or 10 spaces are reserved. Okay, and it is right justified. The entire string has been moved towards right. Okay, similarly, if you see in this example, we have reserved 20 characters and we have completely moved towards right. Okay, 10 have been space, left has been they have been left space. Okay, so the entire string has been moved towards right. Okay, similarly, in this example, it is left justification. This is left justification. Similarly, if you want, we can give some, we can fill the characters with empty spaces with some characters. We are filling here with asterisk. Okay, here we are filling with a hyphen. Okay, like this. Similarly, there is one more function, center. Okay, 20 characters or 20 spaces will be reserved. Hello will be written in the middle. Hello will be adjusted in the middle. Okay, even we can specify the character which needs to be filled. Here we are filling with equal to. Here we are filling with equal to. Okay, let's see them. Say this is the thing, don't write questions, this is the string. Okay, so I'll give 40. I'll give 40. See here, it is completely left justified. It is completely left justified. Say we want to fill these spaces with asterisk. How to do that? Please type me in the chat box. We want to fill these spaces with asterisk. How to do that? Please type me in the chat box. These spaces with asterisk. Please type me. I'll wait for your input. Say we want asterisk here. Any one of you? So we can write comma asterisk, comma asterisk. Okay, enter. Say again, it's mistake. What is the mistake? Okay, good. Vamshi says left justification hash. Good. Oh, yes, good. See here, I must give quotes. I must give quotes. Okay. You see there, it has been filled with asterisk. Similarly, left, this time we will do right justification. This time we will do right justification. Okay. You can see there, it has been filled in the right side. It has been filled in the right side. So just I will clear the screen. Now the next thing is center. We will do center. Okay. Right. Scan the things properly. Scan the things properly. Scan the answer sheets. Answer sheets properly. Okay. So dot center. Okay. Now we want to center this. I'll give 50 characters. I'll give 50 characters. Okay. So you see there, it has been kept in the middle. It has been kept in the middle. Okay. Say we want to fill these things with asterisk. How to do this? We want to fill these empty spaces with asterisk. How to do this? Please type in the chat box. I'll wait for your inputs. Every one of you. Okay, Sri Lakshmi says 50 comma hash. Good. Okay, say 50 comma hash. You see there, it has been filled with hashes. Okay. Now these are the things you learned. Udank, very good morning, but you must be in time. Okay, so next, you see the example here. We have used those things. We have used those things. Left justification, okay, and center. We have used center. We have used left justification. We have used right justification. All those things. Okay, in this program, we want outputs like this. We want the output like picnic items as the heading. Picnic items as the heading. After that, sandwiches. Okay, number of sandwiches. Apples, number of apples. Okay, cups, number of cups. Cookies, number of cookies. Okay, we want the output like this. If you want the output like this, we have defined a function print picnic. Print picnic. It receives three parameters: items dict, left width, right width. Okay, left width and right width. Now we need to center that. We need to center picnic items is centered. Okay, with the left width and right width. Okay, here we are passing left width as 12, right width as 5. Okay, now the empty places will be replaced with minus, replaced with hash. Okay, replaced with hyphen. Okay, now we are doing the left justification. We are doing the left justification and we are printing. Okay, so sandwiches is left justified. Okay, now similarly the items is right justified. Okay, the items is right justified. Okay, so we have defined a dictionary. What is the name of the dictionary? Please type in the chat box. What is the name of the dictionary we are using here? What is the name of the dictionary we are using here? Please type me in the chat box. Is the network okay? Picnic items, good. Vamshi says picnic items. Shirisha says picnic items. Sri Lakshmi says picnic items, good. Okay, you can see there picnic items. This is the name of the dictionary. We have defined sandwiches 4, apple 12, cups 4, cookies 8,000. Okay, now we are calling the function. Okay, this is the function call. What is this? This is function call. Okay, now we are passing three parameters. Picnic items. Okay, it may be sandwich, it may be apples, it may be cups. Similarly, the number of left justification or left width is 12. Okay, and right width is 5. Similarly, the next in the next example, we are giving left width as 20 and right width as 6. Okay, these three things will be copied to items dictionary, left width and right width. Okay, now and these are substituted accordingly, and we are using the for loop to print the items dictionary items. Okay, this will be repeated for the entire dictionary. Okay, and you will be getting the output like this. Okay, so we'll try to execute this. Okay, we are in short of time. Try to execute by yourself. Okay, try to execute by yourself. Okay, now the next function is strip. Okay, strip removes the spaces. Okay, or the characters. We are having right strip and left strip. Okay, you can see the spam. We are having defined a string hello world. Okay, we are doing a strip. We are having some spaces. Those spaces will be stripped off. Okay, you see the output here. There is no space. There is no space after D and before H. Okay, similarly left strip. It will be stripped only in the left side. Okay, not in the right side. Okay, similarly right strip. It will be stripped in the right side. It will be stripped in the right side. Okay, similarly the next string is We have defined some string and we are stripping amps. Okay, wherever the amps is there, that will be stripped off. Okay, now we'll try to execute that. We'll try to execute this. Okay, say, all right, one more thing. Write question numbers properly. Write question numbers properly. Okay, now see here, I want to strip the left side spaces. Okay, I want to strip off this. How to do that? How to do that? Please type me in the chat box these things. L strip. Okay, is it correct? L strip. L strip or right strip? Please type me in the chat box. Okay, it's wrong. We must give here, right strip. Here we must give right strip. Okay, see here, the spaces has been removed here. The spaces have been removed, right side. Similarly, one more example. Write question numbers, questions attempted at the end of answers. Okay, now I'm giving spaces everywhere. I'm giving spaces everywhere. Okay, now we want left strip. We want to remove these spaces. Okay, now we must write L strip here. We must write L strip. Okay, you see there the left side spaces have been removed. Okay, now similarly, say we want to remove right. We want to remove right. Okay, now if you want to remove right, here we must write right. Okay, is it correct? You see there? What is the mistake here? What is the mistake here? Good, good. Kavya says no, good. Okay. So this must be enclosed within quotes. Okay. We must remove left strip. You see, we'll try to remove, you must remove the spaces here. You must remove the spaces. Okay. You see there, right has been removed. Right has been removed. Say similarly, answers. We must remove answers. How to do that? Please type me in the chat box. Answers. Answers must be removed. Please type me in the chat box. Okay, strip answers good. Shirisha says dot strip answers good. Say here we must write answers. Okay, ANSWERS. Okay, now I must remove the space. I must remove the space. You must give the correct spelling. Answers. Okay. See here, at the end, it has removed ANS. Okay. Wherever ANS is there, that is removed here. R is removed. You see here in the right side also it is removed. R. Okay. Whatever the characters we mention here, if those characters are present in either of the sides, those things will be removed. Okay. Good. Say, I'll try to clear the screen. See here in this example, we are having AMPS, AMPS. Okay. S is removed, S is removed, M is removed from here, M is removed from here. Okay. And similarly, A is also removed here, A is also removed here. Okay. Here also A is removed. Okay. Like that. Now the next thing is, you must know the next module, Paperclip. Name of the module is Paperclip. Okay. Please type me the name of the module, every one of you. You see here, Paperclip is a module which has which is like the clipboard, which stores the text. Okay, from multiple platforms. Okay, so name of the module is Paperclip. It has two functions: copy and paste. Copy and paste. You see here, we are importing Paperclip and we are using function copy. Whatever the text we type here, that will be copied. That will be copied in clipboard. Okay, every language or every computer will be having clipboard. Okay, that is used in the programs to store the temporary data, that is used to store temporary data. Okay, temporary data. Okay, now after that we are using paste. Okay, it will be pasted wherever we want. Okay, so we'll try to execute that. Say I'll try to import Paperclip. Just I'll copy Paperclip. Okay, now after this just I'll try to copy the things because shortage of time. Say I'll copy this, I'll paste this. Say I'll type some text here. Okay, work hard every day, practice programs. Okay, now whatever I have entered here, that will be stored in the clipboard. Okay, now I'll type enter. Now okay, I'll try to print here. We can print wherever we want. Okay, so I'll write print. Not print, it is paste. Okay, you see here, work hard every day, practice programs. Say for example, I'll use one more thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have typed something. It's a tuple. I have typed now also we can use that Paperclip paste. See here, we can paste wherever we want. That will be temporarily stored in the clipboard. Okay, that's about the Paperclip. Please type me the name of the module, every one of you. The name of the module, every one of you. I'm showing the module. I'll wait for your inputs. Good. Vaishnavi says Paperclip. Good. Every one of you. Aziz, Paperclip. Vamshi. I'll wait for everybody's input. Okay. Rakesh, good. Priyanka, good. Shweta, good. Priya, good. Nitish, Puneet, good. Udank is there? Good.
Yes, sir.
Please type me. Okay, good. Good, Rakshita. Good, Mahesh. Good, Dhruti. Good, Mayur. I'll wait every one of you. Bindu, good. Sarah, did you type? Suraksha, good. Okay. See, that is the name of the module, Paperclip. It has functions like copy and paste. Whatever we want to copy, that needs to be typed here. That needs to be passed as a parameter. That needs to be passed as a parameter. Okay. Now, after that, we are using paste. Okay. Wherever we want to paste, we can use this. Okay. Now, I was telling you about some projects. Okay. Just I'll give you a brief introduction. Say we'll be having multiple passwords. It is very difficult to remember all those passwords. Email password is this much. Okay, blog password is this much. Okay, what is blog? Please tell me, what is blog? Any one of you? What is blog? What is blog? Please type me. What is blog? Blog, dynamic website. Okay, where the content changes every day. Okay. Now, if I'm having a blog, we need to set a password. Okay. Similarly, if I'm having luggage, okay, we need to set the password for that also. It is very difficult to remember all those things. So what we do, we will define a dictionary. The name of the dictionary is passwords. Okay. We will store that one in a file, password.py. Okay. Now after this, we are importing two modules, sys and Paperclip, two modules. Okay. Now, sys.arguments, argument v. Okay. These are used for command line parameters. Okay. We are entering the values from command line. If you enter email, okay, it will give you this password. Okay. Usage, email, and your password. Okay. Like that, it will be printed. So that one can be done by using clipboard also. The data, whatever we want to type, that needs to be passed to the clipboard. Okay. We are copying here the account. Okay. And we are pasting this. Okay. Try to execute by yourself. Now, the next project is very simple. We are having list of lines. We are appending asterisks. Okay. So you can see there, this is the program. We are importing Paperclip. We will copy all these things, all the lists in the Paperclip as a text string. Okay. Now we are copying text. Okay. After that, we are splitting them. Okay. Wherever the new line is there, here we'll be having new line. Okay. That will be splitted. Okay. And that will be stored in lines. And we'll be getting length of lines is 4. Okay. Length of 1. We will append asterisk plus lines of 1. Okay. Lines of 1 is list of animals. Okay. Like that. We will copy, we will split, and we will join. Okay. Finally, we are going to get these things. We are going to get these things in text. Okay. Now after that, we are printing by using paste, Paperclip.paste. Okay. Now I'll try to execute this. Okay, we are having shortage of time, so you try to execute by yourself. Okay, this completes the second module. Okay, everybody, are you following? Everybody, please type me. Sarah, Batul, are you understanding what I am saying? Please type me yes if it is yes, no if it is no. Every one of you. We have completed 2 modules. Ritvik says yes, good. Shirisha says yes, good. Udang says good. Aziz, good. Sarah, good. Okay, good. Now we'll move to the next module. Okay, the next module is very important, very important. Okay, say just you learned all these things in the modules, lists, okay, dictionaries, pretty printing, manipulation of strings, multiple functions, okay, and two projects, okay, password locker and adding bullets. Now the next module is regular expressions and pattern matching. It is very, very important. Okay, can you tell me where it is used? Can you tell me where it is used? Any one of you? Pattern matching. Okay, you see here, this is the MS Word. Okay, I want to find a pattern. Okay, PATTERN. Okay, we'll give find next. You can see that it has been identified pattern here. Okay, this is known as pattern matching. Here the pattern is pattern itself. Say I'll change this one to R. Okay, capital R. It is capital R. You can see there the first capital R is here. Similarly, find next. It is here. Okay, this thing is known as pattern matching. This is one of the example for pattern matching. Okay. Now, how we are going to do that? By using Python. That's what we are going to learn. There are multiple regular expressions which helps you to do the pattern matching. Okay. There are multiple functions defined in pattern matching. So the chapter name is pattern matching with regular expressions. Okay. You see that very, very important. This is widely used in natural language processing. This is widely used in natural language processing. How many of you heard this? Natural language processing. Any one of you? Natural language processing. How many of you heard? Please type me. None of you. Okay, natural language processing. It includes sentiment analysis. It is used in Twitters. Okay. Twitters, Facebook, everywhere. Okay. Now, this is one of the application. Of pattern matching. Okay. Like that, there are various applications. Now, if you come to the textbook, for example, you see there, we are finding the patterns without regular expressions. Okay. You see here, we are finding out the phone number. Okay. We want to check this phone number, whether this is a phone number or not. We will be having a pattern. The first three numbers is area code. Okay, or a state code it is. Okay. The next numbers, these numbers, the second part is phone number. This is the phone number. Okay. It is used in US. Okay. Now how to identify this? Okay, you can see there the total number of numbers is 12. The total number of things is 12. You see there, we have defined a function name is phone number. It receives a text. Okay, we are finding out the length of text. If it is not equal to 12, that means it's not a phone number directly. We are saying that it's not a phone number. Now we will check every digit from 0 to 3. You see there, from 0 to 3. Okay, we want all these things to be digits. Okay, that's why we have written for loop. Okay, you can see that this will be text of 0. Okay, text of 1, it becomes text of 1. Text of 2, text of 3, like this. Okay, it will check whether it's a decimal. If it is not decimal, it will return false. It will return false. Okay. As soon as it returns false, we'll come to know that it's not a phone number. Okay. Now similarly, the text of 3 must be hyphen. You see there? You see there the text of 3. It is an hyphen. We want that one to be hyphen. So we are checking. If it is not hyphen means it is not a phone number. Similarly, we are checking from 4 to 7. 4 to 7 means from 5 to 5. These things. From 4 to 7. Okay. If it is not decimal means we are returning it's not a phone number. Similarly, text of 7. Text of 7 means this thing. Okay. If it is not hyphen means it's not a phone number. Similarly, from 8 to 12. From 8 to 12. Okay. We are checking. If it is not a decimal means we return false. We return false. Okay. Else it is a phone number. Okay, like this. Now you see there we are calling a function is phone number and we are passing as a string. We will pass as a string. We will get the output as true. Okay, we'll get the output as true. Similarly, Moshi is a phone number. We have passed that. Now Moshi is not a phone number, so we will get false. Okay, so we'll try to execute this. You see there already I have typed this. Just I'll uncomment this. Okay, now I'll try to run this. Run. I have opened PyCharm module 3. Okay, module 3 class 1. We must select that and we need to run. Okay, what is the mistake? Please type me. Commenting good. Vaishnav says commenting good. Very good. You see there, I did not give comment. Okay. Now I'll run this. Okay, again some mistake. This thing. Okay. I'll comment this also. Then I'll run one more time. Okay, you see there, we got the output like it is a phone number, true. Okay, Moshi, it is a false. Okay. Now I'll comment this. Now you see the next example. Here we'll be passing continuous text. You see there, we want to check whether we have defined a message. It has multiple phone numbers. We want to identify all the phone numbers. That are there in message. Okay, that's why we will find out the length of message first. Okay, and after that we will split. We will compare from 0 to 12. Okay, if any of the condition fails, we will make that one as a chunk. Okay, and we will pass that. If condition fails means it's not a phone number. It will be moved ahead from here from A to 12. Okay, it will be repeated. Okay, so it will found. Okay, so I'll come here. I'll uncomment this. Already I have typed this. You see there, this. I'll comment this. Now I have defined a function. After that I have defined a message. Okay, now you see here we are slicing from 0 to 12. Okay, we are slicing from 0 to 12. Okay, if any of these condition fails, It's not a phone number. It moves ahead. Okay. It will come here. It will come here. And the next 12 numbers, will be identified. It will be repeated. It will be repeated. Okay. So I'll run this. You see there? Phone number found. Phone number found. Phone number found. Okay. This is without using regular expressions. This is without using regular expressions. So, okay. Okay, please type me the name of the function, whatever we have used, every one of you. The name of the function we have used here. Good. Is phone number. Very good, Vamshi. Very good. Okay. Shashank, very good. Good. Okay. I'll comment this. I'll comment this. Now, the next concept. Finding patterns with regular expressions. Okay. How many of you know what is regular expression? Regular expressions. What are wild characters? How many of you know what are wild characters? In the Unix, you will get something like wild cards. Okay, like caret, ampersand, okay, brackets, all these things. By using these special symbols, we define expressions. Okay. Those things are known as regular expressions. Okay. So already there is a module like RE. Okay. There is a module like RE which will do the regular expressions, which will do the pattern matching. Okay. So you see the steps. Here. We need to import the module. RE. Okay. Please type me the name of the module, every one of you. I will wait for your inputs. Don't feel bad. I am disturbing you continuously. Please, good. Name of the module. RE, just RE. You see there? This is the program. Import RE. RE is the name of the module. Which is used for regular expressions. Okay. Please type me this. Good, Priya. Good, Mahesh. Every one of you. I want to know you are there here or not. Surabhi is there. Karthik is there. Sushma, good. Udang, good. Okay. Durga, good. Karthik, good. Okay, you see there? The steps are like this. First, we need to import RE. Okay. Next, we need to compile it. We need to compile the pattern. Okay. Whatever the pattern we want. You see here, the pattern is here. You see the pattern here. This is the pattern. Okay. The pattern must be given in. The single quotes. And here we are writing R. R stands for raw string. Okay. Okay. Now /D. /D stands for digit. /D. Okay. I'll write here. /D stands for digit. Okay. Here we want the digit. How many digits? 12 digits. Okay. First 3 digits is for area. Okay. first three digits. How we are going to represent the first three digits? Slash D, slash D, slash D. Okay, this is area code. This is area code of the phone. Okay. Similarly, slash D, slash D, slash D, slash D is phone number. Is phone number. Okay. Now we need to pass that. We need to compile that. We need to create an object. Okay. This is phone number regex. Okay. You see there. See the second step. Create a regular object. Create a regular object. This is the object we have created. Phone number regular X. Okay. Now, after that, there is a function. There is a function search. There is a function search. There is a function search defined in search is there. Find all is there. Find all is there. Okay. Like this, many functions are there. We are using search function and we are passing the text. Whatever the text we want to check. Okay. So this is the text we are passing as a string. Okay. We are passing as a string here. We are passing as a string. This is known as the text string. This is known as text string. Okay. Now, this will be consisting of the answers. Okay. So, if you see here, we got the phone number found. The phone number found. We are printing the message by using group. There is one more function. There is one more function group. There is one more function group which gives you all the elements that are found. Okay. So we'll try to execute this. So in these things, you must remember these steps. Okay. You must remember what are wildcards. You must remember the module name and these steps. Okay, 4 steps. Okay, the 4 steps are like this. First, we need to import that. Second, we need to create an object. This is the object by using compile, by using recompile. Okay, compile is one more function. Compile is one more method. Okay, defined in RE. Okay, defined in RE. Okay. Now, after that, the result will be stored in MO. Wherever the pattern is there, the phone number will be stored in MO, matching object. Okay, this is the variable. Now, we need to print that. Okay, we'll try to execute this. Now, what is the first step? Please tell me. What is the first step? Please type me. What is the first step? Import RE. Good. Import RE. We are importing a module. Import RE. Now, what is the next step? Class is in class. Now the next step, we need to create an object. We need to create an object. Okay, I'll write pattern. Okay, I'll write pattern RE dot compile. RE dot compile. This is the next step. This is the next step. Okay. Now whatever we want to search, that needs to be written with raw string. It needs to be appended like raw string. How many digits must be there for area code? It is 3 times. You see there, the region code is three digits. After that, 4 digits. After that, area code is 3 digits. After that, digit, and digit. Okay. Now you close the thing. We have defined the regular expression for phone number which matches the phone number. We are compiling this. We are storing in pattern. We are storing in pattern. Okay. Now what is the next step? What is the next step? You see there, we need to use the object and we need to use search. Okay, and we need to pass the text wherever we want to search. So say MO stands for matching object. Okay, or I can say result. I'll say this one as result. Okay. result pattern dot search, pattern dot search. Okay, now here we need to pass the text. Hi, hello everyone. Hi, hello everyone. My phone number is I'll type some phone number. Okay, say 4568907. Okay, now I'll close this and I'll type enter. Now we'll print the result. Okay, we need to use print. You see there? Okay, we need to use result.group. Oh, okay. So what is the mistake? Any one of you? What is the mistake? Any one of you? Okay, good. You see there? We must use this slash. I'm searching the pattern now. Result dot group. Okay, see here, we got the output. Okay, similarly now, okay, similarly you see here, I'll do one more example now. Just I'll clear the screen. Import OS. Okay, OS dot system dot CLS. Okay, I've cleared the screen. Now just I'll import RE. I am importing a module RE. Now I'm defining a pattern. Okay, I'm defining a pattern. Say I want to find Ramesh. Okay, I want to find Ramesh. Say I'll give this one as a string. Okay, I'll define a string is equal to Ramesh. Now the next thing is pattern. Pattern is equal to re dot compile. Okay. Say I'm searching for R in it. Okay. I need to compile that. We need to write in the single quotes. I've created an object pattern. Okay. Now result. I'll take that one as result. Now pattern dot search. Now we must pass the string. I'm passing a string. Okay. Now we want to see the result. Result dot group. Okay, you see there R is there. Okay, are you able to understand? Please type me in the chat box. Okay, I think we can stop here. So in this class you learned just I have revised you few string handling functions. Okay, and 2 projects. Try to execute the projects by yourself. Okay, and I have given you the brief introduction about the 3rd module, which is regular expression and pattern matching. Okay, and I told you the function, the module. I told you the module RE and the steps for regular expression matching. Okay, try to execute these programs. Okay. Okay, thank you every one of you. Okay, thank you every one of you. Practice by every day. You can see the videos also. I am uploading every day. I think nobody is watching. Whoever has not attended the previous classes, please try to try to see the videos. Okay, and many of you did not subscribe. Please do subscribe. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, every one of you. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Sushma. Thank you, Rakshita. Thank you, Udank. Hi, bye bye. Yeah. Sir, record అవుతుంది సార్.